Hello and welcome to the Plastotech, the world of plastics. So guys, our today's video will be on ejector setup part 2. I'm going to discuss in this part 2 video complete setup profile of ejector setup and what are in it and how it functions. So an important video guys, do subscribe us and share our video. So guys, this is forward setting and this is retract. Retract means your ejector will move backward and forward your ejector moves in forward direction. It has position, you can clearly see that position. Both of the forward and retract have the same position setting, that is in mm. You can clearly see that position is in mm. Speed, pressure, time, all these things I will let you know how the things happen in the injection molding machine. Now you can clearly see that position which is in mm. You can see that all these settings are there. Delay time 1, 2 and stop. What happens in delay time? Delay time means how much delay you want to give to your ejector while moving forward or backward. For example, there is 0 second. Right now if you will just type 1 here, it will took 1 second of time in forwarding your ejector after the mold open. Now in position you can see first step is natural here, or some machines have the first step. Then you can type how much you want to run your ejector in step, then you have to type the steps here. And speed, in the first step you can see that speed is a mandatory setting here, but in some profiles you can give the speed in steps. Now the second step shows that how much you want to make your ejector in forward direction. Now I have just mentioned 10 here. That means my ejector will move 10 mm forward with the speed of 12. You can clearly see that it has been mentioned 12 there, and pressure will be 35. You can also see that. Now I'm going to just change out, you can clearly easily change it out, the setting, by touching the option. Touching is an easy context in this type of machine. This is LNC6 PLC of Toshiba machine. Quite easy machine and quite easy PLC, understandable one. Now you can see that speed in second mode is 12. Now the final position will be stop, where your ejector should be stopped. That I have mentioned 16 mm. When my ejector will move forward to 16 mm, ejector will completely stop down. Now this is hold time. You can see that it has mentioned 3 there. Hold time means for that much time my ejector will be holded after moving completely forward, and my ejector will be at holding position. It will be stopped for 3 seconds. After that it will retract back. So this is quite easy. Now you can see that move with door open. That means when you will take this option, when your mold will be opened, then you have to open the door to make the ejector forward. And wall on during hold means after taking that, the ejector wall will be in the position of on. Now moving to the retract, and also an important segment. Retract, you can see that position. There are certain positions like stop, where you want to stop your ejector, at which position you want to stop your ejector, that you can type here. And at the greenish or yellowish mark you can see that 2.5 is mentioned. That means this much your ejector is in backward direction right now. And now there you can see also the position, how much speed, at how much speed you want to retract back your ejector, and how much pressure you want to give to retract your ejector. That is very important. Now I will just tick it off. At the position you can see that there it has mentioned 8, and speed there is mentioned 20, and pressure there is mentioned 28. You can you can type or you can just do whatever you want regarding to your product. And same here, move with the door open. That means when your door will be open, these settings will work, and at the time of door opening your ejector will retract in backward direction. So guys, this was an important. If you are new or old to our channel, do subscribe and just stay connected with Plastotech, the world of plastic. You can see now the multi-stroke setting. There are count I will touch it out, and you can see that how much it will open. Count, actually count means that how much you want to give multi-stroke to your product. Now right now it's not been enabled, when you will enable it, you can type at the multi-stroke setting. Multi-stroke means your ejector will move multiple times. For example, there it has been mentioned as 1. It means your ejector will come at single time. And if you will mention some more settings like 2, 3, 4, or maximum you can put 9. You can see that maximum limit is given as 9 in this machine. Now you can put up to 9, so that your multiple stroke means your ejector will come forward at 9 times continuously. So this is the return position. You want to just how much setting you want to give to your return position for the multi stroke, and to enable it you have to tick it off to make it enable. Just tick it and your setting of multi stroke will be enabled. So it's also an important page for in the aspect of injection molding. So I have mentioned you, I have told you, I have also told in Hindi, which is in our Plastotech channel, and right now it's our English channel. So I have tried to mention you in English so that you can get better concept and you can learn better in these segments. So guys, it was a very important video. I can say that now you will able to understand what are these setting means. And the last setting is hydraulic ejector, that you can just turn it on to make your ejector function working. Thank you and have a great day.